Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Bluwhale Airdrop, one of the best projects that you can join with just few simple steps, so keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest airdrop news. Link will be down below in the description box. And now, let's get started. First, if we check out the Bluwhale profile on CryptoRank website, as you see they have reached almost $100 million in funding. Also, if we take a look at the Bluwhale investors, we will see some of the big names in the market like Swissborg Ventures, SBI Investment, Arbitrum Foundation, and much more. Also, if we check out their profile on X platform, as you see they have about 263,000 followers, which is a good sign that this is a good project to join. And by the way, Bluwhale AI is a Web3 intelligence layer. Tokenize your profile and power AI with data, storage, and computing via mobile devices to earn Blue AI and Bluepin. So by participating in this project, you will earn 2 different tokens. So I really recommend you to keep watching to see how we can join this project step by step. If you want to join Bluwhale Airdrop, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and then open Mises browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on this page, and as you see you can sign in using your wallet or your email address. I recommend you to use your wallet, so click on Connect Wallet and choose any one of those wallets. I'll choose MetaMask. They will show you this message, so click on Connect. Then they will show you another message, so click on Confirm. Then wait few seconds and they will show you this message to claim your profile using one of those methods. I'll choose Google. So click on the Google account that you want to use, then click on Continue. Then you will land on the dashboard, and if we scroll down a little bit, as you see, to level up you need to connect your social media accounts and invite at least one friend. Let me show you how to do that step by step. We go back to the top. Click on this icon on the top right corner. Then choose Account Details. And you will land on this page. Just scroll down a little bit and try to connect all these social media accounts. Let's start with X or Twitter. Unfortunately, there is a technical issue in the website itself, so I couldn't connect my Telegram account. But in your case, try to connect all those social media accounts, and when you finish, click on Update Profile. If we go back to the dashboard, as you see I have earned 6 points for completing the social media tasks. Also, you need to log in into your account every day and click on Daily Check-in. And they will give you 1 point for free. And that's all what you need to know about the Bluwhale Airdrop. As you see, it was pretty simple, so don't miss this opportunity to make some money. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Also, if you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends and invite them to join our channel. See you soon guys. Good luck.